You didn't start posting content because you loved content. You started because you were tired of feeling invisible. That's the part nobody says out loud. The first video gets 312 views. You refresh the analytics page 19 times before sleeping. One comment says, "Bro, this actually helped." And that single sentence hits harder than your paycheck did all month. So you post again, then suddenly your entire day starts orbiting numbers, views, CTR, retention, followers, watch time. You tell yourself it's strategy, but slowly. Your nervous system stops understanding the difference between attention and self-worth. That's where it begins. Not the money, the identity shift. At first it feels incredible. You wake up with purpose. You study thumbnails like they're stock charts. You analyze hooks while brushing your teeth. Every viral creator starts looking like a blueprint. You stop watching videos for entertainment. Now you dissect them. Every sentence becomes, why did that hold retention? Your brain never turns off anymore. And honestly, that obsession works for a while. Your audience grows. 3,000 subscribers, 11,000, 26,000. Your phone starts vibrating all day. People ask for advice. Friends suddenly treat you like someone who figured life out. But here's the hidden part. Your real personality starts disappearing. Because the internet rewards consistency more than honesty. And consistency slowly becomes performance. You notice it during conversations first. Someone asks how you're doing. And instead of answering naturally, you answer like you're being clipped for TikTok. Clean, compressed, performative. Everything becomes content potential. A breakup becomes a lesson. Burnout becomes a thread. Anxiety becomes a carousel post with cinematic background music. Even your pain starts sounding optimized. That's when ambitious people get trapped, not because they failed. Because the machine starts rewarding them before they realize they're becoming artificial. And the scariest part, people genuinely benefit from your content. That's what makes this dangerous. Your videos help people. Your advice works. Your systems improve lives. So every warning signal becomes easier to ignore. Then one morning you open your laptop and realize you haven't had an original thought in months. Only market-adapted thoughts, algorithm-safe thoughts, monetizable thoughts. You don't ask, what do I believe? You ask, what performs? That question changes a person. Quietly, completely. Eventually the money arrives. Not movie star money, but enough. Enough to prove everybody wrong. Enough to make your old life impossible to return to. And suddenly, you're trapped in a success story you can't emotionally connect to anymore. Your audience thinks you're winning. Your parents think you're winning. Your friends think you cracked the code. Meanwhile, you haven't felt present in your own life for almost a year. You're productive, visible, respected, exhausted. And one night at 1:14 a.m., while scheduling next week's content, you accidentally remember the original reason you started. You just wanted to feel important. That's it. Not freedom, not impact, not entrepreneurship. You wanted proof that you mattered. And the terrifying thing about the internet is that sometimes it gives you exactly enough validation to keep going, while slowly removing the ability to feel any of it.